everyone. Welcome to the class. So today I'm here with Let's Explore next episode, that is Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. So today we'll be speaking about Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. So you must be thinking, how and why did I club these two union territories together? Isn't it? These are two different union territories. So yes, don't worry, I'll reveal it further in the session why I have clubbed these two union territories together. I welcome you all to Unacademy, the best learning platform, best e-learning platform wherein you can sit at home and study, and definitely we make sure that along with studies we also have all other activities for you. The way I have started the series, let's explore India, right? So what will be the table of contents of this chapter? We'll be speaking about the facts and famous places in Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. About me, I'm Anuja Parekh, your educator for social studies. Along with this, along with Unacademy, I'm even been associated with School Orchids International School. I even love writing, so I've written books as of now. Okay, if you have not yet joined any of our Telegram channels, join the Telegram channel. You'll find the link in the description box. The link is very much there in the description box. Do join in so that you'll be getting the updates of upcoming sessions. We can help you ace your final exams with Unacademy Plus. How can we do that? Along with that, we can even will be able to give you 10% flat discount if you use the code ANOO. So how will you be able to do this? So where will you get the app? For that, just go to Google Play Store. Use this link which you'll be seeing. Just type Unacademy and use the link. If you click on this icon, you'll be able to download the Unacademy app. These are the further steps. Just once it is downloaded, just select the goal. After that, you can just manage your goals by selecting the class which you want, and all is set. So if you are liking our courses, we are having two type of courses for you, that is Plus and Iconic. भाई Plus में क्या मिलेगा आपको? Plus में मिलते हैं आपको live classes at your comfort. This is available for Iconic also. Unlimited access to all courses, top educators of India on one platform, regular doubt solving, exhaustive coverage of syllabus, mentorship and guidance, study material in PDF format, practice tests, live test, and batch courses. Batch starts every Monday, a batch starts, so you can join in anytime. Now, what is the fee structure for the same? The fee structure will be for the fee structure for the same is for Plus, it starts for a month. It starts at about 4,500, and then the more bigger duration you'll take, the fees will be reduced for you, right? So if you can see over here, 4,500 is the fees for 1 month. If you use the code ANOO, the fees will be 4050, as you'll be getting 10% discount, right? But for 3 months, if you see with the speed of 4,500 for 3 months, वो बन जाता है कितना? वो 45 into 3 कितना हो जाता है? 45 into 3, it goes to 9,000 plus 9,000 plus 4 goes roughly 13,000. So if you go or take the 3 months course, it will be only 7,500, right? So straight away you get 44% discount. So try to take it for longer duration, so it will be more affordable for you all. प्लस के बाद हमारे पास है आइकॉनिक. जिनको पर्सनल अटेंशन रिक्वायरमेंट है या फिर लगता है कि हमें पर्सनल अटेंशन चाहिए, के लिए है पर्सनल मेंटर मिल जाता है इसमें आइकॉनिक में. पेरेंट कनेक्ट, लाइव डाउट सॉल्विंग, study planner, weekly report, and all the benefits of Unacademy subscription. You get all these things. We try to give you 60-degree support, right? Iconic minimum courses of 3 months, wherein the course fee is of 12,000 rupees. Yes, you'll be getting discount if you use this code. Here also, if you'll take for a bigger duration, get more discount. So try to take it for longer duration. We have a fabulous feature called as Ask a Doubt. What is this feature about? This will help you out to ask unlimited doubts. It will you can ask these doubts anytime, right? High quality video solutions. Receive exact matches for the questions. Obtain instant and accurate solutions for lakhs of questions, and this helps you to do your homework. Isn't it fabulous? Indeed, it is. What you have to do, just click crop and ask, and you get the solution over there. Oh yes, we have come up with Emerge on 12th or on 20th of June. You have Emerge. क्या करना है आपको? सिर्फ ऐप डाउनलोड करना है and enroll करना है Emerge के लिए using the code ANOO. क्या मिलेगा? क्या है इसमें? Just 30 questions, 60 minutes challenge, no preparation required, an attempt and win prizes worth 5 crore. क्या क्या मिलता है इसमें? 5 करोड़ में क्या क्या है? स्कॉलरशिप्स है, MacBooks है, you get iPhone, iPads, exciting goodies, certificates, and all these things are available for you. Isn't it awesome? And yes, this course is this offer is also extended, wherein if you subscribe for Plus or Iconic, you'll get extra free months depending on how many months you are taking. Icing on the cake is the code ANOO. Over and about this offer, you get 10% extra discount. So why wait? Use it as soon as possible. Chalo, now are you guys excited to start? I hope you all are excited to start. Chalo, now we are going to start in a while with the topic that is Dadra, Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. So stay tuned in and watch it. And yes, don't forget at 8 o'clock today itself we'll be having Mega Minty on this. तो कुछ भी हम लोग इस सेशन में करेंगे उसी के ऊपर मेगा मिंटी रहेगी. Tune in, watch completely till the end. So everyone is ready. Let's start the topic. First, let's see the facts of Dadra, Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. So first, quick basic facts about Dadra and Nagar Haveli. The capital city of Dadra Nagar Haveli is Silvassa. The official languages are Gujarat, Marathi, Hindi and English. Population rank is 5th among all the union territories, and this data is as per 2011 census. We could not conduct the census of 2021, so really not aware now when will be the data out of 2021. So the census, whatever the data is there, this is as per 2011. You can see the map of India where you can see this is where on the border of Maharashtra and Gujarat we can see Dadra Nagar Haveli, and this is what Dadra Nagar Haveli is a place which is located on the border of Gujarat and Maharashtra. This is a beautiful video on the aerial view of Dadra Nagar Haveli. Majorly this video is on Silvassa city. Please let's see it. When you let me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? When you let me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? When you let me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? When you let me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? When you let me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? When you let me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? When you let me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? When you let me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? This was the aerial view of Silvassa city of Dadra Nagar Haveli, which is the capital of Dadra Nagar Haveli. Daman and Diu. Let's speak about Daman and Diu. Daman is the capital of Daman and Diu. Official language is Gujarati, Marathi. Languages spoken are Konkani, Portuguese, Gujarati, Marathi, and population wise 6th rank as per 2011 census. This is the map wherein you can see this. It is located. These two places are located again on the This one is located on the border of Gujarat and Maharashtra, and this is here on the border of you can say this is in Gujarat. Now you must be thinking, why have we clubbed these two places? दादरा नगर हवेली दमन एंड दीव का मैम ने एक साथ सेशन क्यों बनाया? इसका तो अलग अलग बनना चाहिए था यूनियन टेरिटरीज का. लेट्स एक्सप्लोर कर रहे तो. So the fact is, in 2021, sorry, 2020, 26th Jan, it has been declared that these two union territories have been clubbed. The two union territories of Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu are now clubbed and declared as one union territory, as they are located near to each other. So these three union territories have now been clubbed as one single union territory. That is the reason I took this topic together. चलो आगे बात करते हैं एंड देखते हैं एक वंडरफुल वीडियो ऑन what. See this place, how beautiful it is, isn't it? Any guesses? Is this Daman or Diu? Isn't it wonderful? Wonderful place, huh? You should go and visit. This is also my dream. This virtual place, whatever the virtual tour I'm doing with you today, I also wish to take you, go there physically and talk to you everywhere, with everyone whenever I visit these places. Definitely when I'll go these places, personally I will I will definitely take the videos of that and put it on YouTube for you all. So let's speak further about the location of Dadra Nagar Haveli. It is located in the western part of the country and situated between the states of Gujarat to the north and Maharashtra to the south. Daman and Diu is an enclave on the state of Gujarat's Gujarat southern coast, and Diu encompasses the island of the southern coast of Gujarat's काठियावाड़ पेनिनसुला. आई हैव ऑलरेडी शोन यू द मैप, सो आप वो मैप के साथ रिलेट करके देख सकते हैं कौन सा प्लेस कहाँ पे लोकेटेड है. डू यू वांट मी टू पुट द मैप ओवर हियर आल्सो, स्मॉल मैप फॉर रेफरेंस? आई कैन डू दैट फॉर यू इमीडिएटली सो दैट यू विल बी एबल टू refer that on the map also. Chalo, let's see this map. It will be there for you on the for the reference, so that you'll be able to understand where it is exactly located. So you can see the map where it is located. This is where the Dadra Nagar Haveli is located between the states. Now let's see where is Daman and Diu are also located, so you'll be able to remember it properly seeing the map. Okay. You can see the map over here, so you can relate where it is exactly located. You can see over here. These are the two places where we can see Daman and Diu are located. Daman is in the enclave of the southern part of the Gujarat state. This is Daman and this is Diu. See over here we have another map which shows where is Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. You can see Daman and Dadra Nagar Haveli are very close to each other, and Diu is over here. So this is the reason why we clubbed into one single UT. This is the reason why it is clubbed into one single UT for the administration purpose. Now let's see what it is famous for. Daman and Diu is famous. The fort in Daman and Diu is very much famous over there. It's actually standing still and portraying the greatness of Portugal rulers, as we know that it was in the with Portuguese. Uh, yes, one more important thing. Daman and Diu and Dadra Nagar Haveli became the part of India in between 1961 and 62. Till in 1947, when we got the independence, these territories were not part of India. Became the part of India after independence in 1961-62. All the union territories, which were Daman and Diu, Dadra Nagar Haveli, Puducherry, all these three union territories, now two union territories, became part of India in 1961-62. Let's see this wonderful image. Can you see this? How beautiful it is, isn't it? I wish I can go here very soon. I am just waiting for everything to get normalized and visit all these union territories first and then all the states. Maybe being in Maharashtra, I'll start the tour with Maharashtra. Okay. Daman and Diu, Poti Mata beach is very famous for underwater world, spotting of beautiful colored crabs, etc. That makes the beach more visit the seekers of isolation. Those who wish to have me time should visit this beach for the me time. Can you see this beach? How beautiful it is and how clean it is, isn't it? Very clean beach. So if you want clean beaches and if you want me time, do visit this beach. Next is Naida Caves, which is having red walls out of made out of rocks and stairs which lead nowhere, enough to entice the explorer and make her the presence of Portuguese culture over there. You can see these caves, beautiful caves. Wow! Just imagine you are sitting over there in these caves and having your beautiful time over there with your friends and family. Isn't it beautiful? I just love this. Next place is Kadayak Lake Garden. It is even called as Mirasol Garden. It is actually a man-made attraction. It is having an attraction, man-made attraction over there is lake, play area for kids, islands. This all are man-made attractions over there. Can you see that? Beautiful place. See that beautiful the bridge. To see the bridge, we have to go from that. Isn't it wonderful? Beautiful, huh? See the boats over there. Wow. Let's go there soon. Let's enjoy shipping over there. The shipping is all shopping is also shopping also. Daman is very famous, wherein you can find the items from Hong Kong market, Biblos market. These are the new names of markets. Nani Daman market. These are the different names of the markets over there. While in Diu, a variety of shopping things can be found at Town Square, Wonder Chalk and Princess Park at Devka Beach. So don't forget to go for shopping when you go over there. I know you all love shopping. So this is the marketplace. The marketplace. Wonderful, na? Chalo, let's go for shopping also. Everyone is missing shopping in this lockdown period, isn't it? Next is Dhuni Lake in Dadra Nagar Haveli, which is the capital, which is located in the capital city of Silvassa. Popular destination for boat rides, and we can enjoy the sunset over here. Ooh. चलो पानी में कूदते हैं, स्विमिंग भी करते हैं और बोट राइड्स भी लेते हैं. वंडरफुल. बारिश के सीजन में तो कितना मस्त लगता होगा इधर. जस्ट इमेजिन द प्लेसेस ओवर हियर. Next place is Vasona Lion Safari. This is located about 9 kilometers away from Silvassa. It is allotted a special vehicle. Yes, it is a lion safari. You can have a close look of lions over here. So in this lion safari, to be very careful. Lion, and the lion is sitting over there. Bear, the couple of lions is sitting over here. The bear of lion is sitting over here. Awesome. I hope you all know that lion is was a national animal till 1972. Lion's natural habitat is only Gir Forest of Gujarat. This is very near. It's in Gujarat only. It's very near to that. Next is one dam. Exciting rides over there, such as speed boats, passenger boats, lot many things over here. The dam. Ooh. In Pune also there is a dam called as Khadakwasla Dam. So whenever it showers, we first run to see the water filled in that dam. It is having a tribal cultural museum. Tribal culture and life. The Tribal Cultural Museum is a place that has fantastic collection of tribal items. You can even buy those items so that you can help those people too, the tribals too. You can motivate them. See this place? Ooh, wonderful, na? Awesome place. See how beautiful our country is. The land India, it's so beautiful. And we really don't know so many things about it. So only I thought of this series. Let's explore in Nakshatra Garden. There's a lush green and full of beautiful flowers. You can see this. Horoscope signs over here. This beautiful top view of this garden. Isn't it beautiful? Wow. What is the traditional dress they wear? It is Varli. Varli men wear linen cloth and turban, waist long coat. Women drape lugdan around their waist that goes down the knee and adorn themselves with the silver and white metal ornaments. You can see their dressing. This is how they wear, right? You can see this white dhoti kind of thing in simple language. What we know it as dhoti, and this is how they drape the saris. These ladies over there drape the saris. Music and dance is the favorite thing for them. The people belong to different tribes and dress up. Tribes dress up colorful attire and dance on the tunes of folk dances and musical instruments. Special occasions such as childbirth, wedding, festivals, and important ceremonies. Wow, can you see this beautiful dressing they have on the ceremony? I guess this must be a maybe a marriage ceremony. Seeing everyone is giving ashirwad to that girl. Maybe this is a marriage ceremony. So let's see more. These are the different names of tribal dances over there. They include Tarpa dance, Keria dance, Bhavda dance, pole dance, and Thali dance. These are the various dance forms over there. See one of the dance forms seen over here on the screen. Food. Papri is the crispy and flaky dish. Papri is one of the most popular evening snacks of Daman. It is generally served with chutney and tamarind. Okay, so this is the dish which we eat as we call this at papri chaat, which we eat in our places also. तो ये दमन एंड दीव की डिश है जो हमारे यहाँ भी अवेलेबल है. सो दिस इज द फेमस डिश ऑफ दमन एंड दीव. में पानी छूट गया ना, मुझे भी जाके खाने का मन कर रहा है. वाओ. Chetty roll is another authentic delicacy of Daman. Kathi roll kebabs. The region they said have to be been brought from Bengali cook and were later adapted and suited to the local taste and flavors. So this is what they say that they have adopted from Bengalis. Wow, isn't it yummy? I know I'm going to get a lot of messages in the chat box saying, "Ma'am, भूख लग गई है ना?" Okay, as being the beach and coastal area, seafood is also famous. I know there are many students in the class who don't eat non-veg, but we have students who even enjoy this, so we need to tell about this also. So food in Daman and Diu is a part of Goan and part of Gujarati. You can try that if you are non-vegetarian. You can try chicken zucchini, butter garlic, tiger prawns, fried squid, chicken zucchini, and is an aromatic spicy Goan curry. I will not say much about it because I am a vegetarian. But for you all, the pic is there on the screen. For those who are non-vegetarians who love non-veg, for them, those who love seafood, this is what is there in Daman and Diu. So with this, we have end this Daman and Diu. So see you at 8 o'clock for Mega Benti on this. ठीक से देख लीजिएगा, इसी में से सब questions आने वाले हैं, right? And yes, those who will win in that, they will be invited for a Zoom meet with all these educators on 27th of June. So stay tuned in and do watch this. If you have not yet downloaded the Unacademy app, do download the Unacademy app and use the invite code as ANOO. And don't forget to enroll for the Emerge, which is coming Sunday at 20th of June, 12 noon. Don't forget. Ta-da! Bye-bye. Let's crack it. Sayonara.